For about a year now, I have wanted to build some features on my trail, from berms to ladder bridges to drops. Nothing too crazy, but something that will allow me to maintain speed and just have some fun. So I did a little bit of research, watched some videos on how to build a berm, and thought, you know what, I can do that. Let's give it a try. After watching several videos and finding images online, I thought I could do it and it might look pretty cool. Kind of like this guy. Check out this dude. That guy's flying. Definitely don't want to be like this guy. Berms come in all different shapes and sizes. There's dirt berms like these. Wooden berms like these. Rock berms like these. Heck, there was even a berm creek. And now there's a berm peak. Cool. Let's get building. Let's see if we can make a berm on Walnut Springs. One thing I knew whenever I was building this berm was I was going to need a lot of dirt. I would love to build this berm out of wood, and I would love to build it out of rock, but I just don't have enough of those materials right now. So dirt it is. The best thing about this area is that I can scrape this topsoil, it's nice and loose, and just put it in the wheelbarrow and dump it. And I also get to carve out my trail at the exact same time. Building this berm, I used about 20 wheelbarrows full of dirt. It'll be about 2 feet tall and almost 30 feet long. It'll wrap back along itself at 180 degrees. After tamping it down really well, I thought it looked pretty good. Thought I could give it a shot and take a ride on it. I was a little concerned that it wasn't going to be tall enough, but I thought, you know what, let's just try it out and see. After a few goes on it, I realized it does need to be taller, about twice as tall. Man, it's a lot of work getting all that dirt. So I thought, you know what, let's go ahead, let's cut down some of these trees that I've been needing to cut down anyways, and let's fill it in with wood. Man, that's a lot of wood, but it'll come in good use. Now to do something that I was really not looking forward to, tearing down my nice berm. Look at it, look how good it looks. All I'm going to do is basically scrape the berm off back into the trail, and then fill it full of wood, and then pile the dirt back up on top, and hopefully I'll have a berm that's twice as tall. Just a little bit later, the berm started taking shape. I'm almost done with the front part of the berm, and man, it's looking a lot better. I really wanted to leave the berm open in the back to have those logs showing, but I just didn't have wood to make the bracing. So I'm just going to pile up some dirt for now, just to hold the logs in place. About the time that I started working on the back of the berm, my buddy Chad showed up to help me finish it off and give it a test run. After several turns on it, we were really happy with how it turned out. Once this hardens up, we should be able to ride it quite a bit faster. It'll be perfect to lead into the next feature I'm going to build. Well, there you have it. Walnut Springs' first berm. I'm really pumped about this. Thanks for watching. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave it a comment, and don't forget, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And as always, get out there, run, bike, and just have fun. We'll see you in the next one.